y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Callie, and today's video is going to be all about my screen porch and how I decorated it. So every year we go ahead and we power wash our screen porch just to get rid of any of the pollen from the spring, and I kind of redecorate a few things, maybe bring in a few new pieces, and I just wanted to show you guys how I decorated it because this is probably my absolute favorite place in my house. I absolutely love it. I'm so thankful that the previous owners put on the screen porch because I am in love with it. It's one of the things that sold us on this house, and I love decorating it. So I want to share it with you guys and just show you where I got certain things and how I decorated it. So if you want to know and see my little screen porch, aka my favorite place in the world, then just keep watching. Also, if you are new, please hit that subscribe button down below. I would absolutely love to have you. I do a lot of home decor, cleaning, and organization. I do some vlogging, some motherhood content, and I would absolutely love to have you. So definitely click that subscribe button down below. Give this video a big old thumbs up if you liked it, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this is basically all the stuff that belongs out of my screen porch. We brought it all in here while we were power washing, and we turned our kitchen table around so we could get in and out, but I need to put all this stuff back out there and decorate, and I'm excited to take you guys along while I do so. So the first thing we did after power washing, I really wanted to add some outdoor curtains to my screen porch. So that was my big thing for this year, but I wanted to do it so that it was inexpensive because I don't want to spend a whole lot of money doing this. So this curtain rod was made out of PVC pipe, and then I bought some curtains from Overstock.com. They were $40 for 2 panels, which was amazing because outdoor curtains are really expensive. You can always do drop cloth curtains or anything like that. I really wanted the grommets already attached because those little clips that you have to do for drop cloth curtains drive me insane. So I bought these from Overstock, and we just used PVC pipe and some little hooks that we bought at Lowe's, and we spray painted everything black just to match with the screen porch decor and theme. And then this couch is from Wayfair. I couldn't for the life of me find it. I think they quit selling it, but it is a 6-piece sectional. It comes with the sectional couch and then this ottoman / coffee table. And we just have a few of the cushions and seats in our basement because we did want to add some other furniture to our screen porch, and it was just too busy. So we put a few of the pieces in our basement, and I'm just going to go ahead and clean off this glass, and then I'm going to start decorating this coffee table. If you're wondering, the pillows on my couch are from Kirkland's, and the cushions and the fabric on the sectional hold up really well. You can throw the actual cushion, not the foam piece, but the outer fabric in the washing machine, and then the inner fabric, I just, like the foam stuff, I just spray with Scotchgard just to keep it from molding, but it's held up really well. And then my rug is from Wayfair. I couldn't find it on Wayfair, but I did find it on Amazon, so I will link that down below. And then I will go through later and tell you exactly what's on my coffee table. My little girl was out here earlier, so naturally her stool was out here. And then over in this corner, I just really wanted to add some greenery, so I got a fern, and I just put it on a bar stool that we have. We have 4 of these bar stools. 3 of them are going to go over in the corner with those tables, but I had an extra one, so I just went ahead and put a fern on it, and I really think that that ties just some greenery in. I love having green plants out on my screen porch, and then I'm just going to add some other decor around it that I will show you later. And then I'm going to move on to another section of my screen porch and decorate that. So I really wanted somewhere for us to be able to eat out here as well. So my husband made these little bar tables, and I just went ahead and painted them gray. And then we just put this like epoxy stuff over it so that it would hold up out here on my porch. And then the bar stools were from IKEA. My husband had them from before we even got married, and I just spray painted them white. And then the little orange candles are just citronella candles from At Home. And then over here on this section, this little table was actually a wine bar cart, but I took the little slats out and it just made it more of like a storage space. So I'll keep like extra pillows for our regular porch. We have some Adirondack chairs out there, and I just keep some pillows in here for that. I'll keep like charcoal and bug spray. I have a little basket full of like a lighter, some extra citronella oil for our regular deck for our tiki torches, and then I just keep cushions and stuff again in this little area. And then I'll go into more detail later about what's on top. Okay, so once I was done decorating, I wanted to show you guys what it looks like all put together. I love the way that it turned out. I'm in love with these curtains. I think they look so pretty and they really tie the room together. And then this is basically just what my screen porch looks like, and I love it. And I'm gonna go into a little bit more detail here in a second with certain things and where I got them. But I wanted to give you an overview of what it looks like. This is also our cat's favorite place to hang out. She loves it. She loves being able to watch the birds and the lizards, and she likes to catch the lizards, which are, it's just gross, but that's her favorite thing. Again, these pillows are from Kirkland's. I love that they really tie into the rug. And then I love this little lemon pillow, easy peasy lemon squeezy. I thought that was so cute. And then on my little ottoman, this tray is from Kirkland's. And then I have this little sign that just talks about porch rules, which I thought was really cute. That's from Kirkland's too, as well as the lantern with the flowers on it. This lights up and it's just really, really pretty at night. And then those coasters are from Dollar General. And then this vase with the cotton in it is from Hobby Lobby. Okay, so moving on to this corner where my fern is, I bought this little easel at Kirkland's and I thought it was so cute. Life is better on the porch. And I love the little lemonade and the yellow that ties into the pillow that's on the couch. And then again, here's just a look at this bar cart. On top of the bar cart, this little glass house, I don't even know what you would call this, but I got this when we got married and I put the cards in this at our wedding. And I've just been storing it up in our guest bedroom, and I thought, why not just bring it out here on my screen porch? And so I put some flowers in it. And then these little jars are from Kirkland's, as well as that yellow tray. And then the sweet tea, because we are in the South, is from Hobby Lobby. And then up above this on the brick, I put this happy place sign that I got at Hobby Lobby. And then on the ceiling, we have some string lights that are just strung up here. It's so pretty at night. I also love to have them on when it's raining. It's just really cozy and I love it. And then we just have the string lights on a dimmer that is over here in this corner, stuck on the wall with some Velcro. I also love having my curtains in this corner because it kind of covers up all of these cords, which I love. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you another angle of my curtains. I love them. I think they're so pretty. And I love that they just kind of tie everything together. You'd never know that was PVC pipe, which I love, and it was super inexpensive. And then to tie them into the rest of the room, I bought these tie backs off of Amazon. I love that they're navy and they just kind of tie into the rest of the accents in the room as well. I know that this is really grainy. I'm doing it through a screen because I wanted to give you guys the full angle, and I can't do that inside the screen porch. So I went out on our actual deck and am shooting this through the screen. But this is the overall look, and I am in love with the way that it turned out. Okay, so that wraps up this video of me showing you guys my little piece of paradise. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new. I would love to have you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.